Hello traders, I'm back with one more very interesting video. So today I'll discuss about the Bank Nifty option buying which I've deployed using the delta and the volatility. Let's see how the premiums will get spike up. Alright, so this trade is all about getting the trade logic. Forget about the profit what I've made, forget about the loss what I've made, but let's see how the delta and the volatility can spike up the premiums, right? In case if you're an option buyer. Okay, let me take you back to my okay trade. So this is the real trade, guys. So today I bought 48,400 at 10:10 a.m. okay, and then I've exited the same trade at almost like close of the market 3:08 p.m. okay. Just try to understand the trade logic. So this is an intraday trade. So I bought it for 60 rupees, guys, before, right? I'll let you know the risk what I'm taking is like 60 into 15 is the Bank Nifty lot size. So I'm just taking the risk of 900 rupees. So in this trade, I've not deployed any stop loss, but this is just a disclaimer. I have not deployed the stop loss because I can manage my risk. Though 900 is a small risk for me, but for someone, it can be a bigger risk in case if he or she is trading daily. Okay, so just check the trade logic. All right. So now let me take you to the trade. Let me show you why I've entered into Bank Nifty, that too buying a call. Okay, so if you look at the this thing, right, I've shown you. So exactly at 10:10 a.m. I have entered into stock. So let me show you. So this is the place at 10:10 a.m. Just check this, right? Almost 10:10 a.m. So maybe this is where I might have entered. But what made me to go for call, to buy the naked call, right? So what I do is, guys, I'll just plot the price action based on the past 2 days. Now where is the price action? I mean, how should I know that I should go long, or should I buy a call, or should I buy a put? Okay, there comes the price action, guys. You need to have your own price action. This is my price action based on yesterday's data. So if you look at this thing, this acted as a strong resistance, right? Finally the market breached and it acted as a strong support. Once the resistance gets breached, that will act as a support, and then again it acted as a support here. Finally this got breached, came up. What did I say? Once the support gets breached, that will act as a resistance. Check the resistance. This acted as a resistance, this acted as a resistance. Finally the resistance got breached. So yesterday before the market start, what I thought is like maybe the market closed here, guys. The market closed here. If you look at the gap up, this is where the 330. So what I thought is like, let the if the market opens gap up and if it sustains for some time, I'll buy the call. Simple, guys. Gap up, see market closed here. Try to understand the trade logic. I'll show you how the delta and the volatility has played the critical role today. What I thought, the moment the market opens gap up and if it sustains, I'll buy the call. If it gaps down somewhere and if it sustains, I'll buy the put. That's it. Now what happened? Market opened flat, it went up, right? Almost at 10:10 a.m. right? It has breached. Right, I was looking out for the opportunity. Finally, I thought maybe this is consolidating. So I thought, okay, let's take a trade with 900 rupees risk. And guys, believe me, I've taken the strike, this particular strike. Let me tell you, this particular strike, 48,400, I've taken almost 300 away from ATM. That is like 300 OTM. Because if I would have taken the ATM, I would not have got the premium at 60 rupees. So the 60 rupees premium was playing at 300 points away from ATM because I don't want to take more than 1000 risk. So the 60 into 15, that is how much? 900 rupees is the risk what I'm taking, and I got almost how much? 96 rupees premium, guys, at the end of the trade. Right? This is not important. Trade logic is important. Let me take you back. Okay. So now the trade, I've entered here, no stop loss, guys. Honestly, I'm telling you, I have no stop because 900 is the risk what I'm taking, and this is one of the system, guys. What I'm trying to do the experimental. These are all expiry trades. These are all expiry trades. So though the expiry of Bank Nifty is tomorrow, I've just played a sort of experimental. Okay, now let me see. Right, slowly the market went up. Slowly the market went up, and right, it went up. It made a new high, and then again the market came down. Check the beauty, guys. Again the market came down. Right now, when the market stands here, though I might have taken the trade here, until here I was in profit. right? This is how the market will test you. And all of a sudden the market came down because it's all about hunting the stop loss. So just in case someone might have entered here, someone might see, we have entered here, right? So I might have put the stop loss here, somewhere here, or somewhere here. And what did I say? It's all about hunting the stop loss. Let me show you. Let's say we have entered somewhere here, right? Somewhere here I've entered. So let's say if I might have deployed the stop loss below this low candle, people do that maybe below this trend line or maybe below this thing, right? It's all about hunting the stop loss. Yes, market went up, all of a sudden the big players brought the market down. The market stands here, either it can fly from here or else it can hit your stop loss and then it can fly. All right, so let me show you. Okay, now slowly check this. Maybe in case if I put the stop loss here, my stop loss got it. If I would have put the stop loss here, my stop loss would have been it. And technically what happened, then the moment they hit the stop losses, again they'll take the market upside. Right now this move has given me a genuine profit. That's where I saw 60 rupees premium has become 155, wherein I've captured almost how much? 95 or 96. Let me show you. 96 into 15 is a lot size. So I made almost like 1440. Let me show you. Can I see that in all positions? Yeah, 1437 is my profit. Now, the takeaway. Forget about the profit and loss, the takeaway. Right? What made me to give such a huge profit? Let me show you guys. Check the India VIX. Guys, check the India VIX. Let me show you guys. Let me show you where is India VIX. India, yeah. See, Nifty went up by 1%. Bank Nifty went by 1.17% upside move. Check the VIX. The VIX has also shoot up by 6%. So what happened in this trade? So you got the support of delta. Though I've taken the 300 points OTM, the delta is low, right? But still the delta might have support for the spike in premium. Along with that, the India VIX, because volatility increased, guys. When the volatility increased, the premium shoots up. Usually when the bank Nifty goes up 1%, Nifty goes up by 1%, usually the volatility drops or becomes static, especially during the upside momentum. But today what happened? The market went up, Nifty and Bank Nifty, along with that the VIX also shoot up by 6%. This increase in VIX, guys, this increase in VIX, right? If you look at the VIX, right, I'm checking it in five minutes. Increase in VIX. Let me get it today. Okay, check this increase in VIX has shoot up the premium. So the delta is supported and also the increasing VIX has supported in terms of spiking up the premium. Though I've taken 300 points away from ATM, that is like 300 points OTM, still I was able to capture 95 points. And at the end, even though we have seen the up and down, right, this is what you have to see, right? I'm just trying to explain you the trade logic. Though my entry was here, it went up. So what did we discuss? We discussed 5 things. One thing is like stop loss will be hunted, right? If someone took the trade here, they put the stop loss here, they put the stop loss here, they put the stop loss below this trend line or maybe here, then technically what happened? If market went up, you have to book your profit. As an option buyer, you have to book your profit, you have to book your intrinsic value. If you do not book, this is what happens. Stop loss hunting. People who went here might have put the stop loss got triggered. People who entered here might have put the stop loss here, stop loss got triggered. People who might have entered here might put the stop loss here, stop loss got triggered. And finally, the intention of the big players is to get the market again up. And let me show you why this took this resistance here. Let me show you guys. This all about price action. You need to have the belief in price action. So now let me touch like this. Let me make one more pattern. That's it, guys. I might have exited here at 3.8, exactly 3.8 or 3.10, because this has breached my resistance. End of the day, it was almost like close of the market. I got my profit. Alright, deployed 900 rupees. I got almost like 1500 profit. And then what more I need? Right, I'll exit the trade, and I exited my trade. Let me show you. Right, that's what 1437. Let me show you the trade logic. Okay, right, simple, right, at 3.8. Now round can this price action work for tomorrow? right? Now I have my price action for tomorrow, guys. That's it. I have my price action for tomorrow. If the market gaps up or opens static, and if it sustain here, then I'll think about deploying a call buy. If the market opens gap down below this thing, I'll just check the open interest, what the big players are doing. I'll just check, right, where is the open interest getting built up. If I see huge puts are getting built up, and then I might make the call buy, right? If there are like huge calls getting built up, then I might buy put, right? Let's see. But this will act as, this particular price action will act as a sort of benchmark, right, for next 2 to 3 days, right? The time frame what I'm using is 5 minutes, guys. Now don't you think this will act as a, right now, don't you think this will act as a my immediate support, the next support? I do not have any resistance because I do not have any all-time high. The moment I have the all-time high, I'll be marking them the resistance. So now what did we learn from this video, right? A bank nifty option buying. Why we had a spike in the premium? Because the delta will support. Though I've taken the 300 OTM points, still my delta is supported. But this was the key. Volatility was the key, guys. Volatility was the key, which basically I spiked up, and in return it has spiked up my what, premiums. And guys, I would recommend you to uh, right, follow me on my YouTube. So this is the same trade logic what I've put it here, right? I bought a naked C in bank nifty with 300 points away. So follow me on my Twitter, right? You will have all the Twitter ID, the Telegram ID, and also I want you to guys to follow my Telegram ID also, guys. Okay, wherein I'll be like discussing about all the trade logics. All right, so just in case, if you like this video, guys, if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. If you want to refer with your friends, just refer with your friends, and please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. All right, thank you.